Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from DVC remote storage to resume ML training, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, access your DVC project in your terminal. Ensure you are in the correct directory for your DVC project. Use the command DVC pull to download remote storage files to your local environment. This command pulls the latest data needed for machine learning training. Verify the status of your files by running DVC status. This will show if any files are missing or if there are changes. If some files are outdated, use DVC checkout to update them. Next, check your ML training configuration file for any modifications. Make sure your training script matches the data being pulled. Navigate to your main training directory. You can use your preferred Python environment here. Run the training script using python train.py or your specific training command. Monitor the output to ensure the training begins correctly. If you encounter any issues, review the logs for details. Fix any problems with your setup as indicated by the logs. Once training starts, you can track the performance metrics being logged. After a successful training completion, validate the results. You can perform any necessary evaluations on the trained model. Finally, consider saving the model using DVC add for future use. This will ensure your model is tracked and versioned in DVC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.